Hey everyone, my name is Josh DeMarco. On Instagram I am Hair DeMarco. And today I'm with my guest Nick. And we're going to give Nick a really cool modern haircut and modern style for his beard. Nick is he's a great client for like an updated look. He has great hair and he has a great beard, so we're just going to make it a little cleaner and more refined. So one thing that's super important to me and that everyone that's watching this should really take into consideration is the number one thing that we really need to bring clients back is a great consultation. This guy has amazing hair, so I can do a lot with his hair, but it's like, what is he gonna look like when I'm not here to style it? So I wanna give him something that he can easily style that's gonna really help him and really compliment him.